If you have a misfire code and you're wondering if you can keep driving, the short answer is no. And here's what really matters. A misfire means one of your cylinders isn't firing correctly. Every time that cylinder misfires, unburned fuel, it starts to get pushed into the exhaust system and then straight into your catalytic converter. A catalytic converter replacement can run you anywhere between $800 and a couple $1,000 depending on your vehicle. So what started as a $40 spark plug job then could easily turn into a $1,500 repair just from driving on it too long. Comment your year, your make, your model below, and I'll tell you what to check for first.